Hi everyone. This video we're going to learn how to use a PoE++ standard device and provide power and power up a non-PoE standard all-in-one PC outdoor. So we know that an all-in-one PC is not a standard PoE device. It will need power and data provided to it separately. And if we use a PoE++ to provide the power and data, it will output it as a PoE signal. PoE signal is power and data combined into one Ethernet cable, and it will not work because this non-PoE PC cannot respond to our PoE++'s power handshake. If not, it will only release static. So in this case, we will need a really handy device which will help us create a connection between non-PoE and PoE devices. This is our PoE splitter. So PoE splitter is commonly known as a device which can separate the power and data from the Ethernet cable into two streams, one power, one data. So it's like splitting it into two. And we can place this near our final PC device. And as you can see, it is a metal housing around, so it can be placed in rainy conditions and dusty conditions. This is because it's waterproof, suitable for outdoor deployment, which will solve the outdoor part of our question. So with this splitter, our PoE++ switch will provide us power and data. He will split it into two separate power and data, and then provide it to our all-in-one PC outdoor. So the PoE++ can provide up to like 95 watts of power. This PoE switch is a 95 watts high power PoE switch, which means it's PoE++ standard. This is because they use all four pairs of the twisted wire in an Ethernet cable. So the Ethernet cable transmits power and data at full capacity, which means it can reach a higher power and faster transmission. So we're going to connect our splitter to our PoE switch, which will let our splitter split the power and data and provide us separately to our all-in-one PC. So this is how we're going to set it up. First, we're going to assemble our splitter. This is the power cord, which will insert to our splitter, and this power cord will go to our all-in-one PC. It goes in, and then the data will come. You can see there is a PD in, which is power and data in, data out, which means the data will come out. I'm going to put this part in as well. So the data will come out through this port, and I'm going to connect it to our device as well. Okay, so this is connected as well. And then the final part, we're going to connect our splitter to our PoE powered switch. Then you can see the PoE and the power has been lit on. These indicators, you can monitor our device all the time. It means these two are now working properly there's nothing wrong with it. So this connection is complete. There will be power and data coming to our all-in-one PC right now. So that's how we solve this situation. That's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any more questions, leave them at the section below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.